Good morning and welcome to our first Disneyland construction update in a really long time. It's been a while, and when I mean it's been a while since I've been here, it's also been a while since I got here. I actually got here at about 9:15 a.m. and have been circling the resort for about an hour and 45 minutes because they've been slowly trickling, letting people in. Everyone has to park in the downtown Disney parking lot. Coming in, we saw this sign that said mask required for entry and temperature check. Morning. Okay, here we are. We are back. This is the line for the Lego store. This is the line for the pin trading. Holy cow. Okay, so it looks like the store has a return time. I didn't know that. There aren't really any signs telling you, but I asked a cast member, they were very friendly, and they said, go to the fountain and you can get a return time there. So you have to walk in here to get a return time. He basically said, we have no estimated wait time. We don't know what it's gonna be, but you'll get two texts. One will be to say you're in the queue, and the other will be to say, come in the store. So in the meantime, he said, enjoy the rest of downtown Disney. So I will. One thing I will notice is this massive crane, which is above Avengers Campus that we can see. They don't really have a need to hide it anymore because the parks are closed. So in the meantime, the Esplanade has some brand new portraits hanging up. First is for Muppets Now, which starts streaming in just a couple weeks on Disney+. And then right next to Muppets Now is for Hamilton, which started streaming last weekend. Here's another one for a Ryan Reynolds movie. It says coming to theaters, but we don't know when. Now, unfortunately, the Disneyland gates are kind of roped off here. All of the stations now have plexiglass to protect the cast members, which is fantastic. You can tell that we are a new sort of world because even the gates here now have plexiglass and we can't even get close. This is basically it. This is as close as we can get to Disneyland, but hey, I'll take it. It's been a couple months. This is pretty great. As busy as downtown Disney is, the Esplanade is far less crowded, and you can see the crane just a little bit better from here, and it definitely is above Avengers Campus. Now this is pretty cool. The gates themselves have plexiglass on them, and then right behind it, the turnstiles do as well. Thank goodness I came when I did, because this is now the line just for the virtual queue to get into World of Disney. I don't know if Disney Springs is doing these virtual queues to enter shops, but it's really nice just having the freedom to walk around and be in line for something. So this is the line starting over here, coming all the way around to this way and snaking by Rainforest Cafe just to get masks and pins. So that was so easy. I ended up spending about 30 plus minutes in line. I got a couple masks and a couple pins. Believe it or not, there are some 2020 pins I do not have yet. So I'm really excited that I got those. And now I'm gonna head down this way towards World of Disney. Okay, so just for some semblance on time, it's about 1:30 right now. I got a return time at 11:30 and I was called back around 1. So it was around an hour and a half wait, which is what I was told is pretty typical. It's crazy thinking that waiting to shop in a store can be so long, right? Have a really abrupt ending. I'm sorry about that. I was just in World of Disney and then I found a friend who walked me out here. We are now looking at the backside of the Paradise Pier Hotel. So we did a lot today. I went and got some pins at the pin store. I got some things at World of Disney. I got to see a lot of friends, which was really nice to come back here. And otherwise, it's great to be at Disney again. So I'm just so happy to be back. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.